Okay, so I have edited my episode and now I want to send it to Mrs. Cotillo so she can put it on the podcast. So what I'm going to do is when I'm done, I'm going to go back to this little file button and now it says my song. But if I call it my song, they're all called my song. It just keeps calling it my song. So I'm going to tap on where it says my song. If you hold down Control, it'll give you the options, or if you just tap on it like that, it'll come up so that you can type into it. And I'm going to call it Talk It Out Episode 1. Episode 1. I promise I know how to spell, but good thing my computer can tell me. Okay, Talk It Out Episode 1. So I've told some of you this before. This is a GarageBand file, so if you send this to me, I need GarageBand to open it, and it doesn't send through Schoology. So you actually have to turn this into an MP4 file. So you have to hit Control and then click on it. So you get this little menu here, and you're going to hit Share because you are sharing it and turning it into a file. We're going to make it a song. High quality is fine. Artist, if you want to write the name of your podcast, Talk It Out. That will just come up on Apple Music if you have Apple Music. And then you just hit Share. So now it's going to ask, where do I want to share it to? I want to save it to my files because that's what you're going to take and send me on Schoology. Okay, so you're going to save it to your files. Now it takes a minute. It exports the song. It's going to ask, where do I want to save it on my iPad? You can just put it wherever it comes up. Just remember it. So it says on my iPad. So I'm going to save it there. Talk It Out Episode 1. Okay. And then when I go here on my iPad, that's where it is. It's kind of still working. So while I wait, I can then go back and I can go into Schoology. All right. I'm signed in as a different student who's in 3rd grade, but that's fine. So I'm going to go to the messages and I'm going to tap on new message. And then I'm going to type in cut for Cotillo. You can type in Mrs. Silovich's name, S-I-L-O, and it should come up. And you can also send it to Mrs. Stenard if you would like to send it to all of us. All right, and the message is Episode 1. All right, you don't have to write anything in the message part because I'm going to see what it is and know what it is. But where there's a little asterisk, a little star, you have to write something there. So we have to write somebody in the 2. We have to write a subject, and then we don't have to write a message, but we could write a message. So this is the important part right here. This little corner button, file, that's how you send me a file from your iPad. So we just saved it as a file. So now we have to choose files. I know you're used to using your photo library because usually you're sending me screenshots or pictures, but here we have to choose files because we just saved it. And now here it is. So now see, there's 2 different Talk It Outs, but this one, it takes up less space. It's a song file. It looks like a little guitar. This one looks like GarageBand. This is not the one we want. So we want the one that is the smaller file. All right, and then we say open. And then it goes and takes its minute to upload. And then once it uploads, it says complete. And then I just hit send. And then I have the episode and can publish. And so does Miss Silovich and so does Miss Stenard. Okay, so again, we are fixing it up in GarageBand. Where are we? I don't want to go there. Fixing it up in GarageBand. And then we are sending it off. And then we're saving it as a file, and then we're sending it to me like this on Schoology. Okay, if you have questions, go back, watch this episode or watch this video again, and good luck, and I'm sure you will be great. All right, thank you. Thanks for listening. Thanks for paying attention. You guys are doing a great job. All right, bye-bye.